So the next thing we are going to study is comments. So what are comments in Java? They basically used to explain the Java code when someone else is reading your Java code, how they'll understand why you have created this class, what this method does and everything. Okay. So it makes your code more readable, and it can be also used to prevent the execution when testing for the alternative codes. So there are two types of comments, basically single line command and multi-line command. Let me just go to Eclipse and like show that to you so that you will understand it in a better way. So this is the code which I executed previously, the hello world program. If you can see, there is already a single line command present, but I'll just have one more. Like even if I write here system dot, I'll just copy paste. No, okay. First I'll show you this without comment. So now when I run this code, you can see the hello world has got printed two times because there are two print statements. But if I now comment one of them, so this is the code which is not going to be executed. Like the compiler is going to ignore this. So when I run this now, it will ask me which class you want to execute. So this is hello world.java. Now I'm going to say okay. So after that you can see only one time hello world got printed. So this is the comment line. So basically it's used to tell the programmer what you are doing, or make your code more readable, understandable. So what I'll write here, this code prints hello world to the screen. Okay. So this is how programmer will understand what your code is doing. This is single line comment. And if you want to like comment multiple lines, so what you're going to do, you're going to just start with this line, and you can just say this line prints hello world to the screen. So if you can see, I've commented 3 lines over here. So this is also a code which will be ignored by compiler. This is multi-line comment. If you want to comment out multiple lines, you can use this. When you want to comment only a single line, you can use this. You can see that all these lines are ignored by the compiler. So this is how comments work. This is how you have to use the comments, and using comments is one of the best practices, because when someone else is referring to your code, it will be easier for them to understand your code. And same, when you are referring to someone else's code, it will be easier for you to understand their code. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy coding.